Come to lie down on your back, getting ready for shoulder stand, arms at your sides, palms down. Inhale, raise your legs up, hips up, back up. Support your back with your hands, fingers pointed in towards your spine. Your feet can be relaxed, feet together. Bend your knees into your forehead. Wiggle your elbows closer together. Walk your hands higher towards your shoulder blades and then straighten your body back up again. Trying to bring your body in one straight line from your feet to your shoulders. Close your eyes. Take deep breaths in and long breaths out. Just keep pressing your chest towards your chin. Getting that good stretch through your back. Feel your body shrinking, just press into the back again, bringing the weight more onto the shoulders, less on the elbows. Keep breathing. Now bring your arms back down to your mat. Slowly lower yourself back down to your mat, one vertebra at a time. Bring your legs apart, arms away from your body, palms up, shoulders away from your ears, chin slightly tucked into your chest. Just take a couple of deep breaths here. Bringing your heart rate back down. And now bring your feet together, getting ready for fish pose, Matsayasana. We roll from side to side, tuck the arms under the body, elbows close together. Press into the elbows, look up at the toes. Exhale, drop your head back. Keep your chest lifted. Take deep breaths, expanding abdomen, rib cage, and chest. There's just a tiny bit of weight on your head, but 90% of the weight is carried on your elbows and forearms. Your feet can be relaxed, legs relaxed, hips relaxed. Just saving all of your energy for your upper body. Squeezing the shoulder blades together and lifting the chest as high as you can. Taking those deep breaths. Inhale deeply, lift your chin to your chest. Exhale, release. Separate your legs, bring your arms out, palms facing up, shoulders away from your ears, chin slightly tucked in. Close your eyes. Take deep inhalations and long exhalations. Relax. Bring your feet together, raise your arms overhead, get a long stretch from head to toes, stretch, 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 and release. Bring yourself up to sitting, feet are together, inhale, raise your arms up, lengthen your spine, lift your chest, and exhale, fold forward without dropping your shoulders, belly button comes down towards the legs, then the ribs, then the chest, finally the head drops. Shoulders are relaxed. You can take your first two fingers, place them between your big toe and your second toe, and make a circle with your first finger and your thumb around your big toes. Each time you exhale, you focus on the tailbone gliding backward and the top of the head gliding forward towards your feet. Back flattens out. And then bring your palms together. Inhale, reach forward and up, lengthen, and exhale, release. Pull your arms back behind you. Good. And now bringing the legs apart. Take your right hand to the inside of your right leg. Slide your hand towards your foot. Flip it, grab onto your foot. Other arm comes overhead. Grab both feet. Both hands on the feet or your ankle or just one hand on one wrist. And then turning yourself towards the ceiling. Feeling that good stretch. Exhaling any tension. Each time you breathe out, you let go of a little bit more of that struggle, a little bit more of that tension. Just breathe it out. You feel you can go further. You can roll the back even further towards your leg. Keep holding. And then inhale to come up, exhale, release. Other side, sliding your arm out, flip it and grab onto your foot. Other arm comes overhead. And then twisting your chest towards the ceiling, thinking about lying on your leg with your back. Looking up towards the ceiling. And again, focusing on your breathing. That breath is so important. Just close your eyes and exhale, letting it go. And if you'd like to adjust and go deeper into the pose, you can do that now. Twisting even further towards the ceiling. Keep holding still, breathing. And then inhale to come up, lengthen, and exhale, release. Good. And now lying down on your back, legs are apart, arms away from your body, palms up. Taking a couple of deep breaths here. Letting your body sink down into your mat. Taking note if you're holding tension anywhere. If you are, sending a message for those body parts to relax. And then bring your feet together, raise your arms overhead, stretch your body out, push your lower back into the mat, and release. And bring yourself back up to sitting. Namaste.